6.4 inches of screen, 4000 mAh battery, and a Snapdragon 845 processor, and it is a 128 GB built-in, and you can add more up to 512, and it has a SD micro SD card and more, so it looks very classic. Alright, see once more the color. And now let's open this one. What we have, you see the quick charger, and you see adapter which can be used as USB, micro USB to the larger one adapter. Okay, can directly connect to the phone, and here comes your USB adapter cable, right? And this is some additional tool, something that I have to see what is it. And here's the extra buds for your earphone. Okay, then it comes, this is a wonderful piece of earphone. Okay, this is the one, this is the spare for that one, for the buds you can use. Fantastic. All right, so hope you loved this video, and we will be showing more and more later on this regarding this. You see, this is the stuff over here. Okay, this was the previous phone which I was using. It's good, so I thought to buy another because it had a memory problem now after around 5 years. So now I thought of buying this beautiful piece. Alright, good. Hope you like this video. Bye.